Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem faced when trying to do a postfix evaluation using a stack. The issue arises when dealing with negative numbers in the input expression. The output format should ideally be in a specific sequence with numbers separated from characters, but handling negative numbers can be tricky. This problem can lead to unexpected behavior in the program, making it difficult to correctly identify numbers and characters in the input string. Moving on to the solution, the key lies in understanding why the original code, using scanf, was causing issues with parsing the input correctly. The limitation of scanf to look ahead only one character at a time causes it to misinterpret the input when encountering symbols like plus, or, to address this, a better approach using fgets and strtol is recommended. By utilizing fgets to read the input string and strtol to efficiently extract integers and characters while providing better error handling, we can overcome the challenges posed by negative numbers and special characters in the input. This revised implementation ensures a more accurate and reliable parsing of the input expression, leading to a more robust postfix evaluation process. In summary, by implementing a more effective approach using fgets and strtol, we have successfully resolved the issue of correctly parsing the input expression with negative numbers and characters. This solution enhances the reliability and accuracy of the postfix evaluation process, ensuring smoother execution and accurate results. I hope you found this explanation helpful and informative. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!